In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images using Sora that is completely free of charge on that ChatGPT. Okay, so let's say we have our ChatGPT open over here, and then you can go ahead to your left. You can see Sora over here. You can just click and it's going to open Sora for you. Alternatively, you can go to sora.chatgpt.com/explore. This is where you'll be able to explore what other people have been doing, and you can go ahead and select which one you want to explore, or you want to generate images, which is our own case for today. We want to generate images. Okay, so these are some fantastic images that you can just click to have a preview of what prompt that leads to them, and you can regenerate this if you're interested in regenerating or enhancing. So describe the image that you want to generate. So let's say the image of a lion drinking Coca-Cola in a bar wearing a hat and sunglasses. All right, so once you define this, you can define the sizing. Let's say we'll go with a 3x2. The variations, you can have how many variations. Default is 2. You can have presets if you have any, but let's say we keep everything at default and click on enter, and let's see what it is going to generate for us. And you can see it has just been created. Let's have a preview. You can see the fantastic nature of the image that it has generated for us. So you can just go ahead, click on anyone, and you can download it from here. Okay, you can download it and share with your friends. You can see the Coca-Cola, you can see the hat, and in a bar wearing sunglasses as well. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.